Hey guys, Pastor Don of eXp Realty, part of the Southern Charm team. I'm out here at 305 Lakeside Boulevard in Rice Hope. This home is offered at $399. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house with over 2,800 square feet. Beautiful home, oversized master bedrooms. You got to see it. Come on, let's check it out. All right, welcome home. Let's go. Let's go check this out. So at first you see right here what I love is this great flex room and the rounded, I like the rounded entranceways and all that stuff, right? We got the flex room right there, beautiful light fixtures I love, but let's go in the dining room area right here. Like I said, I love all the light fixtures they got. They got a lot of the moldings. They got double tray ceilings right there, linked straight to the kitchen. These countertops are made out of quartz. I love the cabinetry. They got ones that you can see through, so you get your fancy plates right there. You can have, your regular plates in here, right? But you got your island bar, which is great for entertaining. Wide open space as you look. Look at this. Look into the living room right there. You see everything that's going on. You have the fireplace right there. I love the flooring. If you look down to the flooring, this is a wood-looking tile, okay? So it's just fantastic. And you got yourself the dining area right there. Once again, fantastic light fixtures. I love it. But I don't want to miss this one part right here. We got a half bath right here, a coat closet right here. Let's check out this half bath real quick. For your guest, check out that. You got your, obviously, toilet and sink. All right, and in there, you would be able to keep like a Christmas tree or something like that. But let's go upstairs real quick. All right, we're at the top of the stairs. I'm going to go check out the owner's suite. Very impressive. This thing is huge. All right, here we go. So when you walk in, you see, obviously, it is massive. This is almost the kitchen and the living room combined. If you look at the vaulted ceilings in both areas, you could put yourself a little, maybe a couch right there, maybe a huge TV right there. It could be a reading area. It could be anything you want it to be. Really, it could be another office if you wanted to. Heck, you could put a wall right here and make it another room. I don't know. But what comes with this massive owner suite comes with the massive owner's bathroom. So when you come in here, you look, you see you got 2 different size sinks. You got double vanity over there. Well, is that a single vanity? Excuse me. Single vanity over there, single vanity over here. You got your water closet right here. Separate shower and tub, okay? And you got a linen closet behind there. But then this master closet, great size, really big. I mean, it fits the enormous size of both the bathroom and the bedroom. But let's go look at the other bedrooms, because every bedroom here has its ability to have its own bathroom. It's fantastic. So check this out. I think we're just gonna go this way. Yep. Go left in this bedroom right here. Big size bedroom. Not as big as the owner's suite, but plenty of space. You can fit a queen size in here easily. You got this walk-in closet right there. Fantastic. And it's got a bathroom and it's for sharing with this bedroom over here. Dual vanity. You got the shower and tub combo and toilet in the bathroom part. Let me get that for you real quick so you can see. Look at that. Check that out. So every room gets their own toilet, which I like. Then when you walk into this bedroom, you see it's a king size bed's in here. It's got furniture in here, plenty of space to move. I like the large closet right there. It's perfect for maybe a guest bedroom, and they have their own bathroom. But let's come across here. Or maybe this would be the guest bedroom. What do you think? Maybe this one. Because this one has its own bathroom by itself. So maybe this would be the guest bedroom. But as you see, walk-in closet right there. And just your standard bathroom right there with the shower tub combo, vanity and toilet. All right, we're leaving the kitchen right now. We're going into the garage, a 2-car garage. They got a couple stuff in here they're moving. This is all pre-marketing. We're not on the market. We go live most likely Friday, but we're doing all the pre-marketing stuff for it. This is Brandon Giebler's new listing coming up, so we love it. But 2-car garage, you can do anything with this garage, as you can see. But then you got your laundry room over here to the right. It's got its own exit out to a little patio. You can watch the front of the house. But all right, as you come outside, you see this beautiful patio they have, painted blue. It's great for grilling or whatever entertaining you want to do. You got the shade cover over the top. But yeah, it's a great, fantastic house. Once again, this is 305 Lakeside Boulevard, a 4-bedroom, 3.5 house, offered at $399. It's going to go quick in the great community of Rice Hope. So come check it out. Give me a call at 912-657-3544. Let's set up an appointment. All right, talk soon. Bye.